GST and HST credit is a tax-free quarterly payment that the Government of Canada provides to low-end and modest income family. Generally, to qualify for this benefit, you have to be a tax resident for income tax purposes in Canada and be at least at the age of 19. You must file your tax return even if you do not have any income. If you are a new Canadian, you do not have to file your tax return to get the GST HST credit. All you have to do is fill out the Form RC66 if you have a child, or Form RC151 if you do not have any kids. However, most people apply for this credit when they file their tax for the first time in Canada. If you have kids and you applied for Canada Child Benefits, you already applied for the GST credit portion of your child. Now, how are the GST HST credit calculated? The credit depends on how much your adjusted family net income is. To find out, let's take a look at a notice of assessment. So line 15,000 is the total amount of income that a single person or a couple makes in a year. And then we subtract any eligible deduction from line 15,000. So an eligible deduction could be an RRSP or a pension contribution, CPP or EI payment, childcare expenses, professional dues, expenses for self-employed businesses, and so on. In this example, if someone's income is $60,000 and the deduction amount is $10,000, then the adjusted net income will be $50,000. So the financial tip to maximize this GST HST credit is to use as much as possible of various deductions to lower the adjusted net family income. If you are a business owner and you have control over your income, your accountant or financial advisor will determine your salary to optimize this benefit. So in summary, your adjusted family net income, marital status, and number of eligible children in custody are the factors that affect this GST and HST payment. Now let's take a look at how much can you get based on your marital status and your family size. So as you can see, for a single person, the adjusted family income has to be less than roughly around $52,000 in 2022 to qualify for the GST HST credit. And as your family size gets bigger, this threshold goes up. The threshold for the married couple is slightly higher than for a single person. These are the payments for single person with various numbers of children, and these are the payments for married couple with different numbers of children. The payment for GST HST credits are quarterly and paid on the 5th day of July, October, January, and April. Follow Fire Financial for more financial tips.